Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi. I'm here today with this makeup look. So it's very easy. It's a very super simple, fast makeup look that not too much involved, but it makes you look really nice and put together. And I have my extensions in, which I'll also show you. And I hope that you guys are gonna like it. So let's get on with the tutorial. Very first thing, my face is washed and I have nothing on my face right now. It's clean, my hands are clean. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my vitamin C serum from myGlamUSA. This is from my brand. You can find it on my website, myGlamUSA. So I'm gonna just take some of this vitamin C serum on my fingers. I'm gonna apply that to my skin, washed and clean skin. So while that soaks in, I am quickly going to apply my hair extensions to my hair because I need to wait about 5-10 minutes for the vitamin C serum to soak into my skin. So I'm going to apply my hair extensions, and by that time my skin is going to be ready to apply makeup. So let's go ahead and do that. These are real human hair extensions and they're available on my website, myGlamUSA. They come in 2 sizes. So if you're interested, you can go check it out and buy from there. So there we go, my extensions are in. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some argan oil from myGlamUSA to moisturize my skin before I start my makeup. I'm not going to use too much, just a few drops, especially under the eyes, just to make sure that we don't have any lines and no creasing happens because of the dryness. The first thing I'm going to use is MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is a primer for the eye. This is a really good primer. It makes your eye makeup last many hours, all through the night pretty much. And this is going to be a really simple and easy look. The next thing I'm going to do is apply some primer. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish. I'm not going to apply it all over my face, just the areas which have pores, just in those areas. Nose, mostly around the nose area where there is a lot of open pores, and the forehead. Foundation that I'm going to be using today is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. This is the new foundation that I've been trying out and I really like it. It's very good. It's got really good coverage. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium honey. Taking the banana powder from Ben Nye, and I'm gonna, with a dry beauty blender or sponge, I'm just going to set the under eye area first. Rest of the face I'm gonna set with MAC Studio Fix powder in NC35. That's my shade for my face. For reference, the NARS foundation was in the shade Punjab. So the next thing I'm gonna finish off is my eyes. So under the eyes, I'm gonna take that dark brown shade again with a pencil brush and just lightly go under, just like that, just to line my eyes lightly. Just give it some shadow. Next thing, I'll go in with a nude pencil. This is the Wonder Pencil from NYX and it's in the shade medium. So it's just a nude pencil. Blush palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna go in with this reddish shade. I'm just gonna take some on the brush. Lipstick, I'm using this matte lipstick by Victoria's Secret and it's called Desire. It's a really, really nice shade of red. So that's what I'm wearing. So we are almost done. I'm going to take MAC Fix Plus. Going in with Becca Champagne Pop for the highlight. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you like it. It was a super easy and simple quick makeup look that I always do if I'm in a rush, if I have to go somewhere or if I don't want to do too much. So I hope you guys liked it. Do let me know down below in the comments how did you like it, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.